Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In a bowl, crack 2 eggs. Beat them with a whisk until smooth. Today, we're making a layered dish that fills the kitchen with the kind of warmth we remember from childhood. The kind of meal that brings back memories of evenings filled with family chatter. Pour olive oil into a frying pan. Place 1 pound or 450 grams of ground beef. Cook over medium heat, breaking it up with a spatula. The sizzle of meat in the pan takes me right back to when we used to help stir from a stool at the stove, wearing an apron that was much too big. While the beef fries, take 1 onion, slice it in half, then finely chop it. Friends, it warms my heart to see where you're from. Share your country and city, and if you're in the US, let me know your state. Add the onion to the frying pan. Fry for 1 minute or 2. If you liked the video, feel free to give a like. Now take 3 garlic cloves. Press them gently with the side of a knife. Then chop finely. If you have any questions about the recipes, leave them in the comments, and I'll respond. Add to the pan, stir well. Finely dice 1 bell pepper. Friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more recipes. Add it to the pan. Continue frying everything together for another 3 to 4 minutes. Take 5 or 6 large potatoes. Dice into small cubes. I always think of the quiet time before dinner growing up, when the kitchen smelled like something good, and someone was always chopping away at the counter, getting the meal started. Place the cubes into a pot. Pour in water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover with a lid, cook over medium heat until the potatoes are soft. In a separate bowl, mix 4 ounces or 120 milliliters of tomato sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, pour the sauce into the pan with the ground beef. Mix well. Let everything simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Finely chop 1 bunch of parsley. Stir it into the pan. That scent, tomatoes, garlic, herbs, fills the kitchen with the feeling of coming home after school, knowing something good was always waiting. Remove the pan from the heat. Check the potatoes for doneness with a fork. Transfer to a large bowl. Mash the potatoes while they're still warm. Add the 2 beaten eggs. Mix very well. Add 1/2 stick or 60 grams of slightly melted butter. Stir again. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix thoroughly until smooth and soft. Take a baking pan. Pour olive oil on the bottom. Spread it evenly with a brush. Spoon in a little more than half of the mashed potato mixture. Press to form a base. Then add the ground beef and vegetables. Spread evenly. Top with remaining potatoes and smooth surface. Grate 5 ounces or 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle over the top. Bake in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. While it bakes, let's make a salad. Take half an iceberg lettuce, chop it into large chunks. The sound of chopping, the scent of fresh greens, it brings back quiet afternoons spent preparing meals together. Place the lettuce into a large bowl. Add a few handfuls of salad greens. Slice 1 cucumber into thin half rings. Transfer to the bowl. Cut 1 tomato into similar half rings. Add it in. Slice 1/2 of a bell pepper. Add to the salad. Finely chop a bunch of green onions. Add to the mix. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. One 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix thoroughly. These dressings are timeless, made without fuss, just flavor and freshness. Take the casserole out of the oven. Slice into portions. That's it. A savory ground beef and potato bake, topped with melted mozzarella, paired with a bright garden salad. It's a dish made with care, full of flavors that take us back to simpler times, when recipes were shared at kitchen tables and meals were made to nourish. I hope it brings comfort and joy to your table, just like it does to mine. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you liked this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking.